Which business niche best to sell SEO? Is the prospect right fit for your agency? Hi, it's Wasim here from Globital, coming to you from Faisalabad, Pakistan. And at Globital, we are here to help you design your digital agency to deliver. In this video, we are going to share with you the profitable business niches to target as an SEO or digital marketing agency. If you are digital agency owner here, hit the subscribe button to the Globital TV channel as we are coming to you every Monday with videos focused on building better digital agencies. In the comment, I would love to know one thing you are going to implement today. Having watched this video, it's all about implementations. Now to our video. No doubt, all businesses need SEO, but some industries need SEO for their business more than others. By target them only, we can sell SEO services more easily and boost our agency portfolio. Let's see them one by one. The number one is real estate business websites. Yes, either we talk about the commercial or residential real estate businesses, there is required a high degree of visibility and reputation management. The most important thing is that in this industry is extremely competitive, especially in major cities. As per recent research, more than half of all home buyers search online first. So everyone in this industry is out to do whether they can to increase their visibility and get top positions on search engine result pages. So it means you have a big room to sell SEO to them easily. The second one is restaurants websites. Yes, this is true that every restaurant needs a steady stream of new customers, and almost 50% of the customers are searching for restaurants on Google and Facebook. Moreover, Yelp, Foursquare and TripAdvisor are famous for this very reason. Again, this niche also falls under high competitions. There are dozens or maybe hundreds of restaurants in your areas, all are seeking or needs to dominate on search engine results pages. The third one is law services websites. Do you know 96% of people used online search engines when looking for legal advice? Moreover, as per Google Legal Service study, 74% of people who visit a law firm's website are willing to take some action. Law firms' websites always preferred SEO due to lower long-term cost, higher trust and a more education-based approach to marketing in SEO than paid advertising. So your agency can attract more clients and generates more revenue from this industry. And other super important business niche to sell SEO services is e-commerce setups, or you can say online stores. Yes, as an increasing trend in setting up online stores in the last few years, as they don't have a physical presence in the market, as they need to expand their online presence as much as possible. And as in this niche, there is a constant effort required around the online store, or you can say need a proper team to optimize their online stores continuously. So it would be best if you never miss this opportunity. You need to approach them as they want to see good positions among their competitors to generate more business. The last but not the least, medical services websites. It is not surprising that today more people than ever before are turning to the internet for advice on medical problems. Moreover, 72% of internet users say they looked online for health information within the past year. So in this industries, either we talk about the local clinic, medical practitioners, hospitals or pharmaceutical industry, right now they are developing website day by day, never to miss a huge opportunity to reach the all people who need them most. You can convince them by offering top positions, more eyes on their websites. You will boost their consumer confidence in their facilities through your SEO services. all are around this. Furthermore, whatever niche you will decide to sell out your SEO services as an SEO or digital marketing agency, you should have a piece of solid knowledge about that niche, which is so important. In short, the more you study your lead and their industry, the easier it will be to convince them to buy your services. Please do comment, like, subscribe, and if you would like more help to scale fast in digital marketing, please have a look at our 30-day Kickstart program. Furthermore, I have put all the details in the descriptions below. Please check it if you are interested. That's it for now. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.